Hello. You'll probably know dehumidifiers are great for drying out rooms with damp problems. What you might not know is that they're the fastest way to dry out herbs without using excessive heat that can cause a loss of nutrients and a loss of flavour. We've got a dehumidifier here. We've got some parsley, some coriander, some mint and some sage. What we're going to do is turn this dehumidifier around so the exhaust is at the back here. So we pull in moist air at the front and pump out very dry air at the back, so it's perfect for drying out these herbs. We're going to turn this on and show you how quickly we can dry out these herbs. Right, so there you have it. This dehumidifier has dried out the herbs nicely in a matter of hours, as opposed to a matter of weeks that the traditional hang-up method takes. You can see here that mint, which is actually one of the more moist herbs, is nicely dry. I'll break it into this bowl here. You can see there. Really nice and dry, maintained all its natural oils because it's been heated very gently. And bone dry. It smells fantastic. There you go. This dehumidifier that we used actually costs only about 3p an hour to run and is available along with a whole range more at airandwatercentre.com.